In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Chrome and Firefox using Norton Password Manager. If you've ever wanted to consolidate all your saved login information and passwords across different browsers, Norton Password Manager offers a seamless way to do just that. Whether you're switching browsers or simply want to have your data in one secure spot, follow along and I'll guide you through the entire process in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to head over to the official Norton website. Once you're there, look for the My Account option. This should be easy to spot, often located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on My Account opens up a new page that prompts you to sign in. If you already have a Norton account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account following their straightforward instructions. Having access to your Norton account is essential since it's your gateway to all Norton services, including the Password Manager. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Norton Home dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access various features and services that Norton offers. On this dashboard, look for and click on My Protection. This section houses all the protection features available with your Norton account. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available, but stay focused. We're solely interested in the Password Manager today. Now that you're in the My Protection section, locate and click on Password Manager. This is where you'll start the process of importing your browser data. Once in the Password Manager, look for the Add Login option. Clicking on this allows you to enter saved login information from different sources, like Chrome and Firefox. You typically have to export your saved logins from the browsers first and then import them here. If you've never exported data before, your browsers usually provide Export Passwords options in their settings menu. Simply follow the prompts there to extract your login details. Once your data is ready, go back to the Norton Password Manager and upload the exported login information. If your file format is compatible, Norton will automatically incorporate all that data into your secure vault. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you can efficiently import all your saved passwords and login data from Chrome and Firefox into Norton Password Manager, giving you peace of mind knowing all your credentials are safe and conveniently located in one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.